Hey guys, it's PTC Pet from the Netherlands, and of course, as you guys know that I've been exposing scammers for some years now. I've also exposed Marcin Woller, Marcin Wojciechowski, and also Martin Karus. Let me share my screen and show you a little bit more of what I mean. So let's share that screen. And you can see Martin Karus and Janika Peterson Karus. They are both known scammers and are scamming in their own field. And also you can see the Enpro co-founder Marcin Wolla. I got some multiple videos about him online. And that was something else. I just also showed a video how they are stealing over 20% of their community if you trust them and use their own site. But let's make a quick explanational video, guys. They have stolen $12,000 USDT from me. They have stolen 15 notes from me. They have stolen a pre-sale of me, which I've done, and that's just magically disappeared. And they have tried to call me a scammer because I was saying, guys, you are stealing my money, give it back. And I do not accept this. Months have passed. I still have not received my funds. They still have stolen my money. So, Marcin Wolla, I'm still coming after you. Martin Karus, I'm still coming after you. And what I'm going to do now, as you gotta love it, guys. You can see it here. We crypto warriors, not just pussies that are going to be pushed to the side and say, okay, I got stolen. I accept, because I just want to make sure that it is known that I do not accept. I will keep fighting for my money, and I will fight in every way possible. So, what is the plan now? Very simple. I am now going to be writing every partnership of Empro. I'm going to be telling them the story. I'm going to be making a talk with them, saying this is what happened. You are working with known scammers. And then I got another level, guys, because we are leveling up continuously. Like I say, Martin, I'm not going to stop. I just want my money so I can also refund my own people, because I am honest and I'm paying people back. You guys have stolen over $150,000 of me. I'm just asking back for my 12,000 USDT you stole, because the rest I can accept, I can move on. But I do not accept you stealing 12,000 USDT of me. So what is going to happen? I'm now going to be writing all your partnerships. I'm going to be writing all games listed in your marketplace. I'm going to be making sure that I'm going to be talking in the communities of every game and everything that's listed on your website, saying, warning, you are working with scammers. Making a video about their project, warning, they are working with scammers. You guys are building an ecosystem. You guys are building something that is supposed to revolutionize the world. I've made over 10% of all your node sales. I've given you millions over the years. I've been promoting your project greatly because I trusted you guys. And I will not be taken a fool. We can continue. We can go on. I'm also building my own chain. I got my own nodes. I'm building a gas-free chain. I am focusing on positivity. But I just want you guys to know that I am not quitting. You will not steal my money and get away with it. I will destroy your project if you do not give me back my money. I might do it anyway, because it's just the degree that I will destroy it in. I'm now going to be making the videos I'm now going to upload this video. I just uploaded another video on my YouTube channel where it showed that Martin and Marcin are stealing over 20% if you use their own exchange on mprolab.io. So guys, what's going to be coming? I'm now going to be writing everything they have partnered up with, everything they got listed. Then I'm going to be writing every family member they have. Then I'm going to be writing every ex, every aunt, uncle. I'm just going to be writing everybody with the same last name on the world, saying this is a scammer, he stole my money. Then I'm going to be doing the same with Janika. I'm going to be writing every Peterson I can find online that is affiliated with her. And I'm going to be saying, Janika and Marcin have stolen my money. And of course, you guys know what's Janika got to do with it? Well, I was also in contact with Janika. I asked her nicely how to do this, and she said, fuck you, and blocked me. And let's be honest, guys, if you are living the Dubai lifestyle, if you are so rich and you are making millions and spending it all, then you also have been in the possibility to make things right. So guys, thanks a lot for all you've done. This video is going to be going online now, and then I got some other things to do. And I think that today or tomorrow I have our own free gas chain live. There are lots of updates coming. And I want to thank you for the time, thank you for the trust, and assure that Abundance DeFi is going to the moon. For those that are following our token, let's also show you guys this. We went up a bit again. And let's go here. 1 second to share my screen. And for those that are thinking, what is he doing to the side? I got my little buddy here. So that was what I was putting. And also, as you can see in the last months, we've been going up quite nicely. We've been rising. We don't have any team tokens. We don't have any manipulation or shit going on. It's just honest with abundance, guys. Thanks a lot for your time, and be sure to check out my later video, as we are going to be making sure that Empro, Martin and Marcin and everybody, they can block me. They can think that they have won by stealing my funds. But we got that warrior spirit, guys. I'm just going to make sure that every partnership and every investor they got will contact them and say, hey, this might need to be solved. Have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful day. And like I said, more updates about abundance coming in a bit. Don't forget to smile, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.